Hi there, friends. Welcome back to Travis Vlogs, and welcome to this storm chase. Today is the 7th of May, 2024, and I just ended up getting back from our family trip we took to Disney, which, if this video comes out before that, then that'll be coming at some point. Yeah, so I've been watching the setup for a couple days. I just finally got to forecast it over the last couple days, and it looks intriguing enough that I'm willing to head out this evening. It looks like it's gonna be potentially discrete supercells, starting out over Indiana, heading into western Ohio, around the Lima area and south. Well, some storms up in Michigan, but we're going to focus on the southern set. So, I don't know. I have a decent feeling about this. I don't know. Oh, I've had a decent feeling about all the setups this year, and none of them have quite worked out the way I anticipated. So, we'll give it a try. We'll see what we can find. If nothing, cool. If we get at least a supercell, I'd be very happy. Tornado, I would be thrilled. So, yep, we're gonna go take a glance, see what we can't find. I'll see you guys later.
Lows in the mid-40s. At 7 p.m. west of tonight, cloudy with showers with thunderstorms likely this evening, then partly cloudy.
Hi there, friends. Welcome back. So I've made it all the way out here in the middle of nowhere, Ohio, to close-ish to Leipzig. That's at least where I'm closing in on. And I've got a storm that's tornado warned with a tornado currently on the ground, according to spotter report. So that's exciting. Hopefully here shortly I should have some more visibility on this storm, and get a bit of a better view on it. That's the hope, at least. So yeah, I might spot it, actually. So that's the update for now. I'll leave you guys to it. Pretty much due straight ahead of us.
Oh, yeah. East Central Mercer County until 9 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bremen, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to the lash. ILM, and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular
Oh, there's a tornado. There is a tornado on the ground. Or funnel cloud. Let's call that in. That might be a tornado. Look at that. Looks like there might be a tornado on the ground with this storm. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna call it into National Weather Service. Can't tell if that's just a funnel cloud or if that's actually a tornado on the ground. I report it as a funnel cloud, but it looks like it might be a tornado. Yeah, let's call. Where am I at? Where is that at? Looks like a funnel cloud to me. Let's call it in. Yeah, it looks like it's almost on top of us. We need to roll. Do not want to get stuck in the bear's cage. This storm.
gonna turn around and look at that. Okay. Okay, we're good. Hi there, friends. Welcome back to Trev's Vlogs, and welcome to this kind of conclusion wrap-up of yesterday's storm chase. So it ended up going pretty well. I did end up quite far from home, so that was a little bit tough, especially the drive back was a bit rough. But I did end up getting on a nice storm isolated. And though I missed the first tornado in that storm, I did see what is most likely an actual tornado, which was really cool. That was my first tornado, brief rope, noodle tornado, but still cool. Yeah, I could actually pretty much confirm it was a tornado because one of my friends who lives in the area was much closer to the tornado than I was, and he saw it kicking up dust on the ground for a couple seconds. So it probably touched down there. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Cool, I got to actually see one after years of trying, but persistence paid off. So yeah, the storm was also very good structure-wise. Didn't get a greatest view on it, but it was pretty nice. So yeah, overall was very successful. Very happy with how that worked out. So yeah, here's to more tornadoes, hopefully, someday. So, hope y'all have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.